The Freedom Quilt, written by Samantha Hoffman. "What's this?" Maggie asked. Nana touched the quilt she placed in Maggie's arms. "This quilt will lead you to freedom," Nana said, patting the quilt. "Go, child, give it to your mama. Run." Maggie did as told. She ran as quietly and as fast as she could. Mama saw her coming. "Nana said to give this to you," Maggie whispered. Her mama started to cry. Maggie didn't know why. "Pack your things. It's time to go. This is our chance at finding freedom. This quilt will take us there," her mama said. Maggie did as she was told and followed her mama into the dark night. All they took with them was the colorful quilt and 2 small satchels. When Maggie's mama stopped and stared at the stars, Maggie did too. When her mama said to sleep deep in the woods during the day, Maggie closed her eyes. For 4 days, Maggie did exactly as told. She was scared, but she trusted her mama. Finally, they stopped at a little cabin. Maggie could tell that Mama was lost. The door of the cabin opened. "Come in, child, hurry," the old man said. Maggie and her mom went quickly into the cabin. "Why do we keep looking at that quilt?" Maggie whispered. The old man smiled. "This quilt is like a map. Each patch tells you where to go." Then Maggie saw it. Maggie saw the stars they had stared at during the night. She saw the woods where they slept. She saw the river they had crossed and the hills they had climbed. She saw the cabin where the old man lived. The old man tapped the last patch on the quilt. On the patch was a little white house on a hill. "This house here is your last stop. You've got another day ahead of you," he said. Maggie didn't think they could run another night. She and her mama were so tired. But Mama said to run, and so she did. There was no turning back and nowhere else to go. Just one stop left. It was early morning when they saw the little white house on the hill. Mama put one hand over her mouth. She clutched Maggie's hand with the other. Holding back tears, Mama knocked on the door. The door opened. "Are you Harriet?" Mama asked. "Yes, I am. Come inside. You are safe," Harriet said with a wide smile, "and you are finally free." Harriet Tubman was an African-American abolitionist during the American Civil War. She was born into slavery. Harriet later escaped and is said to have helped guide 70 enslaved families to freedom.